Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about the center of mass. So now I want to show you how to answer. A straight wire lies along the x-axis between s equals to number 0 and s equals to number 2 if the wire has density that is about e to the power of s. We need to find the coordinate of the center of mass. So now I want to show you how to answer because the question does it along about x-axis. So we need to draw the diagram in here. So the x-axis that is about this one. So we have the wire in here. So the wire that's it between from 0 to number 2. So this is about number 0, this is about number 2. Now we need to find the center of mass between from 0 to number 2 in here. So we can apply the formula in here. So because they are long about x-axis, so we just find only x, and we have the integration from a to b, and we need to know that x multiplied by density function in here. So that should be about this one. So they connect to x with the x over the integration from a to b, and we have density function. So I will put this one gone here. So we have the integration from 0 to number 2 s e to the power of s ds over the integration from 0 to number 2 e to the power of s ds. So if we calculate about this one in here, we have e to the power of number 2 plus 1 over e to the power of number 2 minus number 1. And that is the final answer we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.